Ever feel like you're constantly hemorrhaging money? That latte habit, those spontaneous shopping sprees, where does it all go? That's where budgeting apps like Mint come in, offering a lifeline to your financial sanity. But here's a question that might not have crossed your mind. How does Mint itself make money? They track your spending, categorize your transactions, even give you budgeting tips, all for free, seemingly out of the goodness of their silicon hearts. But hold on, in the land of free apps, where does the real profit lie? Mint is actually owned by a much bigger fish, the financial software giant Intuit. You know them, the folks behind TurboTax and QuickBooks. Now, Intuit isn't exactly known for random acts of financial kindness. So, how does Mint fit into their profit machine? There are a few key ways Mint might be generating revenue, even if it's not directly hitting your wallet. Here's where things get interesting. The power of partnerships. Imagine this, you're diligently tracking your spending on Mint, and you see a giant red flag in the eating out category. Maybe it's time to cut back on those fancy brunch places. Mint, ever the helpful friend, might suggest some alternatives, budget-friendly restaurants, or even meal kit delivery services. Now, these suggestions might not be purely random acts of kindness. Mint could have partnered with these restaurants or meal kit companies, earning a commission for every new customer they bring in. It's a win-win. You get budgeting tips, Mint gets a little kickback, and the restaurants get new customers. It's all about building a network of partners that benefit from your financial journey tracked through Mint. Targeted advertising. Let's face it, free apps gotta eat, or at least pay for server space. Mint might be free to use, but that doesn't mean they can't show you some targeted advertising. Think about it, you're meticulously tracking your finances, categorizing every expense. Mint has a goldmine of data on your spending habits. They know you love shoes, travel a lot for work, or are saving up for a down payment. This juicy information can be used to show you ads that are hyper-relevant to your financial life. Maybe you'll see banner ads for travel insurance next to your upcoming vacation budget, or targeted credit card offers tailored to your spending habits. These ads might not cost you a dime directly, but they generate revenue for Mint through pay-per-click schemes or by selling anonymized user data in bulk, with your consent, of course. The upsell opportunity. Mint might be free for basic budgeting, but what if you crave a more premium experience? Maybe you want in-depth investment tracking or fancy financial goal planning tools. This is where Mint might dangle a shiny premium version in front of you, complete with a monthly subscription fee. These premium features unlock a whole new level of financial analysis, offering a glimpse into the world of power budgeting, for a price, of course. The Intuit ecosystem. Remember, Mint is part of the Intuit family. While Mint itself might not be a direct moneymaker, it could be a powerful lead generator for other Intuit products. Imagine you're using Mint and realize you need help filing your taxes. Guess what? Intuit has a solution for that, TurboTax. By seamlessly integrating their other financial products within the Mint app, Intuit creates a convenient one-stop shop for all your financial needs. This might not be a direct revenue stream for Mint itself, but it strengthens the entire Intuit ecosystem, ultimately boosting their bottom line. The future of Mint. So, is Mint a financial hero or a data-hungry monster? The answer, as with most things in life, is probably somewhere in between. While Mint offers a valuable service for many users, it's important to be aware of the potential ways they might be generating revenue. This doesn't mean you have to ditch Mint altogether, but it does encourage a healthy dose of skepticism. Remember, when something seems too good to be true, it probably is, at least from a business perspective. Free apps like Mint need to find ways to stay afloat. Understanding their revenue model allows you to make informed decisions about how you use the app and the data you share. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.